Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate VLAN settings for camera and IoT net. Start by logging into your network router's web interface. Enter the router's IP address into your web browser. Provide your administrator credentials to access the settings. Navigate to the VLAN settings section, typically found under Advanced Settings. Look for an option to enable VLAN support. Select the option to create a new VLAN. Assign a unique VLAN ID for your camera network. Enter a name or description for easy identification. Select the desired network interface for the VLAN. Configure the IP address and subnet mask for this VLAN. Ensure DHCP settings are appropriately set for the VLAN if required. Repeat the process to create a separate VLAN for IoT devices. Assign a different VLAN ID for the IoT network. Provide a name or description for the IoT VLAN. Select the appropriate network interface for this VLAN as well. Input the IP address and subnet mask for the IoT network. Once all settings are configured, save your changes. Reboot the router to apply the new VLAN configurations. Connecting cameras and IoT devices to the correct VLAN is crucial. Connect each camera to the appropriate VLAN using your network switch. For IoT devices, ensure they are also connected to their designated VLAN. Verify the connectivity of cameras by accessing their web interfaces. Check the IoT devices to ensure they are communicating properly on the network. Monitor performance to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Adjust any settings as necessary based on your network performance outcomes. Document your configurations for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.